Why does your scanner show the P2323 engine code? What does it mean? P2323 is a diagnostic trouble code for ignition coil, H secondary circuit. The P2323 engine code indicates the PCM detected a fault in the ignition circuit secondary side, causing improper spark operation and poor fuel ignition. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty ignition coil, damaged spark plug, wiring or connector issues, poor ground connections, PCM or circuit failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Dodge, Jeep, and Chrysler. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.